Gwen. Gwen. Where are you going? So we're going to Paris. Paris and then Milan, Florence, and Rome. For the birthday girl, si Mami. Diba? So siya, Mami. First time in Europe. So I'm traveling with family. The first time nila sa Europe. First time ever. So ko ang guide. Good luck. Charot. So this is our room for 2 nights. Kasama si Mami. Yan ang room. Ito, wow, look. Oh shit. Nakakatakot. So, the restroom namin. Oh, diba? Ang sikip. And all white. Si Mami, welcome to Paris.
10 minutes daw.
Welcome to Paris, guys. So where are we going?
Shopping?
What? Shopping agad. Bilang mo naman ako.
Huh?
Gusto ako eh. Did you bring your card? Pang raffle lang yung budget ko eh.
Ako din.
We're gonna buy a raffle. Excited na si Gwen. Victoria. For the walking. May grocery. Grocery guys, so kung gusto niyo mag-grocery. Hi! Say hi! Grocery in Paris. Diba, Opa? Welcome to Paris. You're in Paris? Marami daw kainan dito eh. Yun no, pwedeng kumain dyan. Breakfast. May kasama bang breakfast yung hotel? Hindi ako kumuha eh. Hindi na rin kami kumuha. Kasi pwede ka namang bumili dyan, no? Tinapay. Tabi tayo sa right.
Tabi tayo lang?
Parang aambog lang. Dian, welcome to Paris. Gusto mo mag-aral dito?
Study abroad.
Study abroad, one semester.
Fashion.
Or 1 year.
I'll do fashion.
You're not gonna study then. How about Gwen? How do you like Paris?
It's Fashion Week this week.
Oh. Malamig. Lakad-lakad lang tayo guys. Parang malapit din yung hotel namin dito. Gusto nyo mag-subway? Diyos ko Lord.
Let's go.
Mamaya pa uwi para pag naligaw okay lang. Parang dito rin yung hotel namin before. Subway tayo mamaya for the experience. Yan. Huwag ako. I get lost.
Card ba yan? Nagpabili si Kuya Anthony na fast card at saka mga card holder. Huwag mo nang iyan mo na lang yung euro. Wait, walang iya.
Anong yung ano? Hindi, titignan mo yung pag na-charge yung card mo, doon mo titignan. Kasi baka i-convert mo na, iba pala yung conversion.
Does it convert right away? Or
On your card, after.
like that?
Ay? Huh? Si Mami pagod na. Emily in Paris, dapat nanood kayo. Yes! Yes! Dito, di ba? Pero towards the ano na, di ba? Kasi tatlo sila. Nag-Uber kayo papuntang hotel?
Yung first na binok namin, hindi namin alam. Pag tingin ko previous, paano magkakash yung pagkakas?
I know yung lagi. Dapat van.
Kasi kung kadami, mas baka. Kasi ang limit.
Ay, hindi. 20 lang po.
Yan, 22. Walking, Gwen. Walking at night in Paris. Ako, baka mamaya dito ka mag-college, ha? Parang si Casey Concepcion, tsaka yung anak ni Pacquiao. Pupuntahan natin yung Eiffel Tower, guys. Sana mailaw pa.
12.
Wala na ba? Wala na.
Napagod lang
Hindi na
eh.
mag-sparkle yung baby kasi hanggang 11:45 lang.
Pagsak ulit ako.
And it starts every hour, like 7 hanggang 7:05. Tapos 8:05. Nakailaw lang siya, but hindi na siya yung mag-sparkle. Diba guys?
Tama ba? Tama ba yung
Tama ba yung explanation ko? Paki-google na lang. So from the hotel, we are staying at what's the name of our hotel?
Hi vlog.
What's the name of our hotel?
I don't know.
Floride
Florida.
Atelier. Charot. So parang 15 minutes away lang walking guys to Eiffel Tower. Saka ang daming kainan dito. Kakatabi yung restaurant.
I need to respond 2 times.
Kai. Say hi.
Tito? Hi,
So how do you like Paris? You like it here? You wanna live here?
To the Eiffel Tower.
Ay, ito na yung Tocadero eh.
Yeah.
Ay, akala ko lalapit tayo doon. Sa Eiffel Tower.
Dito.
Ah, Oh, wala nang light. Day 2. For the breakfast. Oh my gosh. Why? Because I want you guys to be recorded while eating. Because today's our day 2 and it's your day 3. Because you came here first. And Ate Danny's day 1. So this is the breakfast. You guys want bread? We have bread. Di ba? Cheese. Oh, no. The croissant is calling me. I can't. I cannot eat. Hindi tayo pwedeng kumain ng tinapay, guys. Because nagpapapayat tayo. Sa Ate Janice wala pa. Getting ready. So day 2, we're having a...
Day 2 of eating a sandwich.
Are you trying to take over my vlog? I think you're trying... I think...
Ladies ka nang dinagkakaan.
I think you're gonna be the vlogger of this vlog.
Vlog takeover.
You miss rice? Ano yung miss na nilang rice? Puro bread.
Birthday ni Binbin at
Two in Paris. It's already 8 o'clock in the morning. Sana hindi mulan. Pak. Social, no? Picture. Filipino photographer. Let's go. Let's go. It's raining. So, 2 vans tayo today. I think this is Kuya. Hi, Kuya. It's for Kuya Froilan? Opo. Okay. Wait lang. Doon na tayo sa kabila.
kasama ko na lang si Don. Ay, si Don sila lang.
Oh, sige. So, dito na lang kami. Diyan kayong tatlo.
Nakatingay.
Well, doon na lang daw sila. Doon na tayo, Mi. Gwen.
Wanna go with us, Gwen? Apay, hangaw man na yun nakate.
2 van. Sabihin mo na lang kay Kuya Froilan. Sunod na lang din. Yung 3 kasi nasa... Doon na lang daw kami mimit. Sa loob.
Sa loob na? Sige po.
Nag-photoshoot kasi sila. Yeah.
Photoshoot na kalapate.
Oo. Ipupush ko ba ito, Kuya? Ay, social. Social talaga. Automatic. So, yan si Kuya.
Para sa kasal na.
Ready na for our day tour. We are going to London. Charot! Charot lang.
London Bridge, oh. London Bridge.
Si Bobby.
Rich na agad.
Grabe, dalawang van.
Yun ang comment si nanay mo agad.
We're going to see Mona Lisa. Sa Louvre, yeah. Madilim.
Gusto mo mag-ilaw, sir?
Ay, hindi po. Okay lang. Sorry. Pansinin mo rin yung mga doors, it's different. Every door. Ocean door. You can actually go up. I think there's a fee, entrance fee, I think. Good morning, Paris. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. There's a lot of people here now. Party girls. Party girls. Wala pang tulog yan.
Hashtag teen no sleep.
Yes. Hashtag 1 hour sleep. Good luck. Hashtag fresh. We failed last night. The Eiffel Tower didn't light up.
We stayed there for an hour.
We stayed until 1 a.m. because people said it's gonna light up at 1.
What's the last?
But we got there at 12 something. So we didn't see V.
V and Jenny is here.
Yes, it's today at 12.
Oh my gosh.
I think Celine and Celine fashion show.
That makes sense. V is
Let's wait outside.
I know her. I know his hotel.
You don't
Yeah, my client told me.
Oh my god.
We should go, but we have a tour. Huh? I know. I should. I didn't mention it. Okay. My client told me. I know. If not, there's one in. Oh yeah, the Paris logo. We should. I think sa ano tayo sa. We should go to Galleria Lafayette later. Yung mall. Kuya, busy ba ngayong month for tourists? Marami rin, no?
Marami rin, sir.
Fashion week kasi.
Hanggang December na po.
Ay, si Kuya Froilan. Oh, diba? Ang serious ni Kuya Froilan lagi. Oh. Second day. Oh. So guys, dahil hindi kami kasya, meron pa kami isang van to, no? Bank. Imagine if everybody came with us. It's a bus. wait for the... Okay, magpicture na kayo. Bago tayo pumila. So, welcome to the Louvre. Kung saan nakatira si Mona Lisa. Tan 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 tan.
Selfie ka na, Bobby, ah. Mag-selfie ka na.
We are going to see Mona Lisa. Ah. Let's go. Mona Lisa is this way, I think. Okay. Si ano na dito eh, Mona Lisa. How about those? Mona Lisa na? Tara. Ay no, matapos na tayo kay Mona Lisa. Kamukha pala ni Ate Jani si Mona Lisa. Teka. Nasaan na siya? Glenn.
Tito Mar said you look like Mona Lisa. He tripped.
Kamukha pala si Mona Lisa. Yung mga suot. Dito ko binili yung painting, oh. Ay, yung picture. Yung Mona Lisa. Hi vlog. This is my partner in vlogging, Kai Jensen. This it's gonna be Tito Mar and Kai vlog. Oh, andito na si Mona Lisa, baby, oh. Mahal. I know. Let's go, ano, pila na. Go. Dito mami si Mona Lisa. Ayun, no?
Liit.
Yung famous Mona Lisa painting. Ayun. Ayun, no? Yun. Ini. Ito. Aliit lang niya. Kati, is that yours? Of course, the Mona Lisa painting.
The famous. Galingan ko kay open ko. Nalagay sa mga
Of course, the famous Mona Lisa. Guys, this is our second stop, Notre Dame. It's already open for public going inside.
That's it.
Parang dito. Pag ganun. Kasi last time we were here, hindi pa siya open.
Come tipo tagliavi così macarons?
My God, paintings na kami. Let's go. Sunod ako. Ay, bibili lang ako ng painting ng client ko.
The work is acrylic on the canvas, on the wood. You need to transport your life and we will say Then one is 20, this is cats and dog, this is perfect. 2 for 35, 3 for 50. And all of these, €5 less if you pay cash.
$35. Yun na naman no vlog. Pila na tayo guys. Papasok sa araw. Ang daming tao guys. Pumunta kayo dito ng December para kayo lang tao. Kasi malamig. Winter. So, patience. Papasok ba to? Hindi mo.
Seigneur soit pour nous ce sacrifice, à la louange et à la gloire de son nom, pour notre bien et celui de toute l'Église. Accueille, Seigneur, les premiers dons de l'Esprit, par qui tu as ressuscité Jésus d'entre les morts, et nous tenons cette espérance de vivre à jamais en tout le mystère de Pâques. Et ne donnons à ses disciples en disant, prenez et mangez-en tous, ceci est mon corps, vivez pour vous.
Parang gusto ko maging sakristan. Are eating Chinese food in Paris because we miss rice. Oh. Finally, there's rice though. Finally, there's rice. There is rice. But I'm not eating rice.
Parang Japan.
Maraming stairs. Oh my God.
Na tao.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow, we're special.
Wow, why are you taking a vlog?
Because I miss you. You have to be in my video because you're taking over my blog.
Like when Tito needs to retire, he's
Yeah, you can take over my YouTube channel. Me?
Ay, bathroom pa daw.
By the time you take over, I'll have millions of followers. Imagine. Right now, I only have 1,000.
How much subscribers do you have?
I only have 1,000. You have to tell your friends to subscribe on my channel. So we're eating Chinese because we miss rice. In Paris, Chinese in Paris is the key to success. So we are at a very nice spot Ako. Ang daming good spot dito. Pak, for the Fashion Week. Ang gagawin natin?
Salamin. Sabi ko may salamin ka ba dyan? Ayun yung kay Jandy, salamin ng salamin. Ayun nga. Dyan, may pera. Paano ba ako may pera?
Sana all.
Picture tayo.
Oh, go na, go. So we are at Sacré-Cœur. Here in Paris. Tingnan natin dun mamaya. For now, pasok tayo. Yeah. Well, they're waiting for sunset, I think. Oh.
Hello, 5-1.
Et vous voulez manger un truc ou pas? Moi je viens de faire un truc, je commence à avoir du... Ah ouais, c'est bon.
L'offrande que je fais n'est plus pour moi, pour m'assurer mon propre salut, il est pour autrui. Et je crois qu'il a une efficacité pour autrui. Qui peut nous aider à comprendre cela de manière très très concrète? Eh bien, l'encyclique, encore une fois, Lexipnos l'utilise avec abondance, c'est l'exemple de Thérèse de Lisieux. À la suite de Claude, finalement, l'encyclique nous donne Thérèse de Lisieux comme la meilleure inspiratrice pour comprendre comment vivre cette vie à notre tour et la vivre de manière très très concrète, sans chercher des choses exceptionnelles, mais en investissant le quotidien très concret de ce que chacun Thérèse de Lisieux, un exemple cœur transpercé, elle cherche un endroit où s'accrocher et elle tombe sur une représentation de Christ en croix. Thérèse, au cœur transpercé, s'attache au Christ en croix qui lui-même a eu le cœur transpercé. À partir de là, vous savez qu'elle a cette guérison, elle est délivrée de cette fermeture qui l'enfermait sur la terre. Et il doit y avoir ce déploiement missionnaire apostolique qui va se manifester.
Derrière moi, si.
See you again next time.
문을 못 떼. 위에 있는 건 문을 못 떼. 오빠 우리 이렇게 영상 찍어줄 수 있어? 그냥 이렇게 만져주면 돼. 오! 이거 봐. 위에 있는 거. 위에 있는 거 봐봐.
Goodbye Paris na.
Bye, Paris.
Parisian. Huwag yung tanggalin yung sombrero niyo. Uwian na. Then tomorrow we are going to Milan.
Maraming ano. Na brand.
Wala. Sa Philippines yan.
Uwian na.
Uwian na. Uwian na. Nasaan na yung mga kasama natin? Till next time.
We see you again.